Removing the drive backplane carrier assembly and drive backplane. Remove the front top cover. Remove the fan cage. Remove the front air baffle. Remove all the 2.5-inch hot swap drives and drive fillers. Record the cable connections and then disconnect the power and signal cables from all the backplanes. To remove the drive backplane carrier assembly, pull the plunger up to disengage the backplane carrier. Move the top of the backplane carrier away to remove it from the server. Remove the 2 screws that secure the backplane and then remove the backplane from the drive backplane carrier.